Hello, Monisha.
Good morning, sir.
Right. I gave you some work to do. I'm not sure whether you have done this or not. These questions I asked you to do. You did? Yeah, guys. You did these questions or not? Okay. Okay, I'm asking you a question. Please respond. Hello. Some questions were given. Did you solve or not on absorption costing?
No, sir.
Right.
Sir, I forgot, sir.
Very honest answer. So for if honesty, if marks must be given, then we should give you the marks. Uh, okay. Okay. One class I took on this and then we had to stop. Okay. Let us see this. Let us take care of the 15th problem. Okay. All of you keep this problem in front of you. Keep it handy. Keep it handy. Keep this question with you guys. Right, guys? Should I go out of this problem?
1 minute. Okay, sir.
This problem must be done in two ways. Okay. One is absorption costing. The other is variable costing. So, can you guys help me how to solve this problem in absorption costing? Yes, guys? Can you help me? Yeah. Yes, please. Come, Anisha, you will tell and I will write.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Cost sheet. Let's make a cost sheet. I don't want those MCQs. Just prepare the cost sheet.
Sir, direct material.
Very nice. Direct material. How much? How much?
32.
Okay.
Then direct labor.
Direct labor.
20.
Okay.
That's it, sir, for prime cost.
Then you're not reading the question properly. What, Manisha? How much is the direct material?
Direct material is 32.
Cost sheet. Anybody else? Nitya, how much is the direct material?
So 12,000 into 32, sir.
How much is that?
3,84,000, sir.
How much is the direct labor?
2,40,000, sir.
What is the prime cost?
6,24,000.
6 lakhs?
24,000.
Then?
Sir, then variable manufacturing overhead, sir.
Variable manufacturing overhead.
15 rupees per unit.
Hmm.
12,000 into 15 is 1,80,000, sir. Fixed manufacturing overhead 6 rupees per unit. Total is 72,000, sir. Then it is
Yeah. Yes.
then it factory overhead, sir. Total.
That again you come to the basics. This total is what? First of all, total it. Then we'll see.
8,76,000.
Oh, what is this? What is this, Sanjana? It's called what? It's called what?
So net factory.
Say
So is it net factory cost?
cost of production or factory cost. You can say factory cost also. Okay, you can say net factory cost also because work in progress and all are not given. Okay, right, guys?
So,
Right. Now, what do we have now? What next?
The selling cost also given, sir.
Hmm.
Variable selling.
So there is no opening stock and closing stock. Is there
No,
a
sir.
closing stock?
No, sir.
What you have to say that? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Opening stock. Opening stock plus or minus?
Plus, sir.
Closing stock.
Minus.
Total. This is what? Cost of goods sold. Right, guys? Yes or
Yes, sir.
not? Then what do you have? Then what do you have? Yeah,
It's a variable selling, sir. Selling and administration cost.
admin, selling and administration costs. Selling and administrative costs. Oh, what do you have there?
Variable selling is 3 rupees per unit, sir. 12,000 into 3.
Oh,
36,000.
oh,
4 rupees per cost for fixed, sir.
hmm.
48
Sorry?
48,000, sir.
Hmm. What is this?
Total is 9,60,000.
What is this 9,60,000? What is the name for this 9,60,000?
Administrative cost.
Administrative costs separately are there.
No, sir.
These two together is administrative cost. Urmila, these 36 and 48 are administrative and selling costs, overheads. What about this 9,60,000? What is that called?
Cost of goods produced.
Cost of goods produced. That is cost of production.
The cost of sales, sir.
Cost of sales.
Cost of sales. Guys, following it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how much are the sales? How much are sales? Yes, guys. Sales, please.
मिनट हो गया उठ जाओ
Don't know. Don't know.
नहीं उठो तो मैं थोड़ी बात नहीं करूँगा तो मैं नौ दुकान होला आज
Sales not given.
तो उठ जाओ
No, sir. They haven't given.
Shall we assume something? Shall we assume something?
Sir, is that cost of sales only will be taken as?
No. That should not. Okay. Let us take the sale price as 100 rupees. Let us take that price as 100 rupees. Okay. Sales. How much is the sales? 12,000 into 100. That is how much?
12 lakh.
What is the profit?
2,40,000.
Yeah. 2,40,000. Done. Right, guys?
Sir, how did we assume that's 100, sir?
And because the question is silent, no. So I have taken. Question is silent, right? So I have taken it just to explain your concept.
okay even during exams you can take like that sir the
No.
question is
I'm explaining a concept. In exams, you'll stop at 9,60,000. Matter is closed. Okay.
yes sir
In exam, what you'll do? You'll stop it at
9,60,000
that's it. Okay. I want to explain few things, so I did. Now go
So
to
how
the,
did you get 2,40,000, sir?
how much is the cost of sales?
9,60,000.
How much is the sales?
12 lakh.
How much is the profit?
Oh, okay, got it, sir.
Right. So now go to the questions. What is the first question? What is the first question?
Estimated conversion cost per unit.
Right. What is the conversion cost? What is the conversion cost?
Hmm.
What is the conversion cost? Yes, guys. What is the conversion cost?
So producing it from raw materials to
Huh? From what to what? What to what? There is some atta. Okay. Atta is 50 rupees. There are workers whom you paid, whom you, Urmila, you can mute it. There are workers whom you pay 50 rupees or let's say 25 rupees. Atta 50 rupees. Worker will prepare the chapati 25 rupees. Okay. Now the chapatis are complete. What is the conversion cost of preparing the chapatis? What is the conversion cost?
so we should take cost of production also.
Now you come to my example. 50 rupees atta is there. This atta has been used to prepare chapati. One person prepared the chapatis. For that person we paid 25 rupees. Is getting it? Is getting it or not? How much is the cost of converting the atta into chapati?
25, sir.
Exactly. 25 is conversion cost. One more time. I bought 50 rupees atta. I paid 25 rupees per person to prepare chapatis. The gas cost was 10 rupees. The gas cost was 10 rupees. Chapatis are prepared now. What is the conversion cost of preparing the atta into chapati? What is the conversion cost?
35, sir. 35.
35. Very good. Now you tell me in this problem, what is the conversion cost of converting the raw material into production? What is it? What is the cost? In this problem, what is the cost of converting the raw material into finished product? Sanjana,
So 41.
sorry,
Sir, is it 41?
is it 41? How
41.
41?
Direct material plus variable overheads plus fixed overheads.
That's it. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
That means what? What is conversion cost? Conversion cost is labor cost plus manufacturing overheads. Agree? All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
What is left out? What is left out? Material cost is ignored. Okay, material cost is ignored. All of you getting it? Sanjana following it?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer for conversion cost here? What is the answer for the conversion cost? Conversion cost is 41. Make sense? All of you make sense?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain again, sir?
Huh?
How did you get 41, sir?
Ignore the direct material. Right? You ignored the ATA, no? I said how much is the cost? You said 35. Where is 35 coming from? Labor and gas. Agree?
Yes,
You
sir.
ignored ATA cost. So similarly, in this you ignore the ATA cost. ATA cost is 32. You ignore that. Labor, variable manufacture, fixed manufacturing overhead. Together? Whatever.
Sir, then variable selling and fixed selling also we should ignore, sir.
That's what I'm saying. That is not part of conversion only. That is after converting cost. Agree?
Yes, sir.
That is after conversion cost.
Yes, sir.
There is no question of ignoring. That will not come at all. Okay? So what is next one? What is the prime cost? What is the prime cost?
52, sir.
52. Prime cost per unit means 52. Overall prime cost is how much? Huh?
6,24,000, sir.
6 lakhs 24,000 total prime cost that we already calculated. What is the next one? What are the total variable costs?
18
Sorry,
rupees. $18, sir.
how did you get that?
Variable manufacturing overheads plus variable selling.
You killed me. Nitya.
Right.
Ah.
The variable total cost, no, sir.
Ah.
It's wrong, sir.
What is it?
Sir, total variable cost means we'll take only the variable unit.
Only the variable you will take, correct. But you are taking what?
Both manufacturing and selling.
No.
Yeah.
You are not taking both manufacturing and selling. You are taking part of manufacturing and selling.
How, sir?
How? How?
Sir, variable manufacturing cost is 15 rupees.
No. No, you are wrong. Sanjana, what is the variable manufacturing cost? Sanjana, today. Huh?
Sir, 15. Sir.
Sanjana, what is the variable manufacturing cost? Onisha, what is the variable manufacturing cost?
52 plus 15.
52 plus 15. Why? When manufacturing, that raw material is not there, is it, Nitya?
Yes, sir, got it.
You are telling variable overheads. I did not ask overheads. I asked variable cost.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
70 rupees, sir.
sorry.
70 rupees, sir.
Now 52 plus 15 plus
3.
right, Urmila?
Yes, sir.
So that is the total variable cost. What is the next one? Did they ask anything else? That's it.
Estimated total cost.
Estimated total cost would be incurred during June month with a production level of 12,000 and a sales units of 8,000. Okay. So this is absorption costing. Okay. I am not solving this problem. Which problem I'm not solving? I'm not solving this one. Okay. This part I'm not solving. Okay. I just left that part. All the remaining we did. We did all the remaining.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, let us use variable costing. Okay. Under variable costing, generally we can happily start with sales. Sales is how much? How much?
8,000 units.
That is 12 lakhs. No, 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 no. Here, how much sales we have taken? How much sales we have taken?
12,000.
Same 12,000 only I am taking, because in the question they said 8,000, but I have solved it using 12,000. So I will stick with that 12,000. That's why that last part of the question I left. Agree? Yes or not? Guys, getting it?
I didn't get, sir.
No, ma. That problem we solved. No, this part of the question I'm ignoring. This part of the question I'm ignoring. I'm not solving this part. As if this question is not there. This question is not there. Okay? Here, how many units they are selling? You sold.
Yes, sir.
How many units they are selling?
12,000.
How many units they are selling? Sales level of 8,000. No.
So that's given in that question, sir.
Huh? Sales level 8,000 they are saying, na?
Yes, sir.
Produce and sell 12,000, right? I am taking this, I am ignoring this question. I ignored this part of the question. I am
Yes,
only
sir.
taking how much?
12,000.
Sales. So that's what I am doing. Sales here I have taken 12,000. Here also variable costing also I am taking 12,000 is what I am saying. Okay? Okay? Not getting Urmila?
Got it, sir.
Now, what in variable costing, what do? We deduct variable costs and we deduct fixed costs. Then we get profit. Agree? All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
Marginal variable costing is nothing but marginal costing, correct? Guys, agree? Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Right. So variable cost. So what are the variable costs here? What are the variable costs? Yeah, Urmila, what are the variable costs?
Variable cost.
Yeah.
1 minute, sir. $70, sir.
Sorry?
70 rupees.
How did you get 70?
Direct material plus direct labor plus variable manufacturing overheads and variable selling.
And variable
Selling.
selling. Very good. But you are absolutely correct. But I will take variable manufacturing costs. Variable manufacturing costs. How much are variable manufacturing costs? 32 plus 20 plus 15. How much is that? How much is that?
2 plus
Sorry, come again.
I'm doing sir.
Come again.
67 sir.
67. 67 into 12,000. How much is that? Yes, guys. How much is that?
8,04,000 sir.
8 lakh.
4,000.
8 lakh 4,000. You minus this. What do you get? Minus this.
3,96,000, sir.
3 lakh 6,000. 3 lakh
96,000, sir.
3 lakhs 96,000. 3 lakhs 96,000. This 3 lakhs 96,000 is called manufacturing contribution. Now Urmila will say, sir, you left the variable administrative costs minus variable selling and administrative overheads. Minus the selling and variable overheads. That is how much? 3 into 12,000. How much is that?
36,000.
What you will get?
3,60,000.
3 lakhs. Are you getting it? Just hold on one second. Hold on one second. After manufacturing overheads, after manufacturing contribution, you will put opening stock plus 0, closing stock minus 0. Are you getting it? Are you getting it, guys, or not? Now what you will get? What is this? What is this you got here?
3,96,000.
Correct. That 3,96,000 is called what? Sanjana, what is this 3,60,000? 3,96,000. What is this 3,96,000? Give me one second. Give me one second. Manufacturing contribution you got. That is manufacturing contribution. Variable manufacturing cost is 8,06,000. Okay. Plus opening stock minus closing stock. If you do, then you will get contribution. Manufacturing contribution is what you got. $9,60,000. You can't add this to this. Opening stock, how can we add it? We can't add it. This is profit. Okay. Okay, guys, just hold on. Just bear with me for a minute. Eight lakh 4,000 is my variable manufacturing cost. All of you agree? Guys, you agree? 8 lakh 4,000 is my variable manufacturing cost, right? What Urmila?
Yes, sir.
Right. To this, you add any opening stock and minus any closing stock. Do you have any opening stock here? No. Do you have any closing stock here? No. So you, sorry?
So what is any opening stock? So like,
If you have any opening stock available in your
Yeah.
manufacturing factory, do you have any opening stock?
sir, opening stock, like they'll mention it, no sir, work in progress or in the big.
That's what, did they mention in the question?
No sir.
So I have taken it 0, right? Did they mention anything in the closing stock available? No. So I have taken 0. Right, Nitya? Right or not?
Yes sir.
So then what do we have now? What do we have now here? This is called what? 8 lakh 4,000 is your 8 lakh 4,000 is your cost, variable cost of goods sold. Manufacturing variable cost of goods sold, right? Manufacturing variable cost of goods sold. All of you agree? Guys, make sense?
Yes, sir.
Now to this, what we add? Selling and administrative variable cost we will add. How much is this selling and administrative or variable costs? How much is that?
36,000.
36,000. Then what do you get? Total variable costs. What are the total variable costs? What are the total variable costs?
How did you get 36,000, sir?
You only said 3 rupees selling and distributive overhead. Total units 12,000. Correct?
You have to add or deduct, sir?
We have to add now. This is cost, so this is cost. We have to add. So how much is that? 8 lakh 40,000. Right, guys? Guys agree? Guys, you follow this?
Yes sir.
Now you put sales. How much is the sales? 12 lakhs. Agree? A while ago we did it or not? What was the total variable cost? Did you find the total variable cost here in this question? What was the total variable cost? 70 now. Correct or not? We did, right? A while ago we did 70 into 12,000, 8 lakh 40,000. Right?
Yes sir.
Total variable cost. So how much is the contribution now? How much is the contribution? How much is the contribution? Sales minus variable cost. How much is that? Sales
3,000, sir.
variable cost. How much
3
is
lakh,
that?
3,60,000.
3,60,000. 3,60,000. Now, how much are the fixed costs? How much are the fixed costs? Hmm?
Sir, 10 rupees, sir.
10 rupees, correct. So 12,000 into 10. How much is that?
1,20,000, sir.
1,20,000. What's the profit?
2,40,000.
2,40,000.
So can you explain the last part, sir?
3,60,000 you understood? Up to 3
No,
lakh. Huh?
so 8,40,000. Okay, I got that.
Sales is how much?
Sales.
12 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Sales minus variable cost is what?
3,60,000.
That is called what?
Manufacturing contribution.
No.
Then, sir,
Sales minus variable cost, marginal costing. What did we say? Sales minus variable
margin.
cost is? Sales minus variable cost is contribution. Sales minus variable cost is contribution. So many problems we did, right? This is how. This is what? Contribution. 3,60,000 is contribution. Sales
That is
minus.
only that is only marginal costing, sir.
In marginal costing, that's how it is done.
Okay.
Marginal costing, sales minus variable cost is contribution,
Yes,
right? So this is contribution. Minus fixed cost, what you get? Profit. So how much is the profit? How much is the profit? Guys, how much is the profit?
2,40,000, sir.
What, Sanjana? Agree?
Yes, sir.
What, Manisha?
Yes, sir.
How
So
much?
how did you take it 10, sir, fixed cost?
Can you try? I will definitely explain, but can you try? What are
Yes,
the
sir.
fixed costs? What are the fixed costs?
Fixed manufacturing 6 plus selling, sir.
That's it. Everything is there only. Over.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the profit under absorption costing?
2,40,000.
What is the profit under variable costing?
2,40,000.
So, is there any difference between these two?
No, sir.
Both the costings give us
Same answer.
same answer. Manisha, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Nitya, you understood?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Can you nicely present this and put a screenshot to me and the group? Like this only, very nicely you write it down. Okay, see here some cuttings and all are there, but put it properly and do it. Yeah, ask Nitya, what is your question?
sir, if they have given production units at 12,000 and they have only sold 9,000 units, what do you have to do at that time, sir?
You're not. I'm going there. Okay. Manufacturing variable costs. Manufacturing variable costs and this. Neatly present it and post it in the group. Neatly present it. Anything, anywhere, any writing you did not understand, it's not clear, please let me know. If the writing is not clear, if the number is not clear, please ask me. Put the heading also, sales is equal to production is equal to 12,000 units. posted it. Okay, good, Nitya, you posted it. Okay, I'm making a small correction here. Install. This is what did you put there?
Manufacturing variable cost.
Manufacturing cost of goods sold. This is manufacturing variable manufacturing cost of goods sold. This is variable manufacturing cost of goods
Sold.
produce. This is this one.
Which office?
This one is variable manufacturing cost of goods produced, and this is variable manufacturing cost of goods sold, and this is total variable total variable cost.
Sorry, sir.
Total variable cost, right?
Yes, sir.
Over, guys. Can you repost that, Nitya?
Yes, sir.
Delete what you have posted and repost it. It was my bad actually. When I saw yours, I realized. Manisha, you are following it?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, you are okay?
Yes, sir.
Rumla, any questions? Okay. Should I move on? Sanjana, can I move on?
Yes, sir.
I am doing the I'm doing the same question. Okay. I'm doing the same question, but I'm assuming that the the sales are 8,000 and production is
12,000.
production is 12. Right, guys? Okay. Urmila, make sense? Urmila.
Yes, sir.
Now we changed the question. Information is the same, but question is different. What is that? Sales is how much? 8,000. Production is how much?
12,000.
There are two methods of costing. What are the two methods? Absorption costing. So now, Monisha, you will help me with the absorption costing.
Yes, sir.
Direct material.
32.
Okay, you will tell per unit only.
32 into 12,000.
Hmm.
3,84,000.
Hmm.
Direct labor.
Hmm.
20 into 12,000.
Hmm.
2,40,000.
Hmm.
Prime cost. 6,24,000.
Hmm.
Variable manufacturing overhead.
Hmm.
15 into 12,000.
Hmm.
1,80,000.
Hmm.
Fixed manufacturing overhead.
Hmm.
6 into 12,000.
Hmm.
72,000.
Hmm.
Cost of production.
Hmm.
8,76,000.
Hmm.
Opening stock.
Hmm.
0.
Hmm.
Closing stock.
Hmm.
0.
Kill me.
Yes, sir. Closing stock we have 4,000 left.
Hmm.
4,000 is closing stock.
Hmm. That is units. Give me the value. This is all rupees. From rupees you will minus units, is it?
No, sir.
Ah.
4,000 into 73.
4,000 into 73. But where did you get this 73 from?
8,76,000 divided by 12,000.
Absolutely. Okay, here the production is 12,000 units. Urmila, following it.
Yes, sir.
So how much is that?
2,92,000.
This must be minused. So what do you get?
5,84,000. 5,84,000.
Which is what?
Cost of goods sold.
Very good. Now what do we do?
Add selling overheads.
Selling and administrative overheads.
Variable. 3 into 12,000.
How much?
36,000.
3 into
8,000.
8,000. How much is that?
24,000.
24,000. Fixed manufacturing overhead?
32,000.
No. Fixed manufacturing overheads, how much did we take here? 48,000. How? How fixed manufacturing overheads are 48,000?
Because they won't change whatever they change in the units.
Units change, but they don't change. Understood? Urmila, you understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
You're following it. Nitya, you're following this.
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, you're following this.
Yes, sir.
So how much is that? 48,000 or 4,80,000? 48,000.
48,000.
So these two you got to minus. Right? So sorry, you have to add these two. Then what's the total cost? Cost of guys,
Cost of sales.
give me a second. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
My system is hanging. Just hold on. Guys, hold on. Hello guys. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So where were we? Where were we? Cost of?
Cost of sales.
Cost of sales. Give me one more minute. Cost of sales. How much is the cost of sales?
6,56,000.
6,56,000. How much is the sales?
8,000 into 100.
You get. What's the profit?
1,44,000.
44,000. Right, guys? Guys, make sense?
Yes, sir.
What, Urmila? Okay, not okay. Ask me any questions you have here. Sanjana, any questions here?
No, sir.
Now, what do we do? Variable costing. Right? Under variable costing, how much, what we have to do? We have to find out the variable costs. We have to find the variable cost. We have to find the contribution. We have to find the fixed cost. Then we get the profit. Correct? So, what are the variable costs? What are the variable costs? Please tell me. Like we did, Nitya, you can tell us. You already done that. Posted it also. Can you tell? I'll go in your order.
Yes, sir.
Refer to your book and just tell me how. What are the amounts I'm supposed to put? I mean, yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, 32, direct material 32 plus 20.
Material 32.
Direct labor 20.
Direct labor 20.
Variable manufacturing overhead is 15.
Variable manufacturing overhead 15. Total
52. Sorry, sir, 1 second. 67.
67. So 67 into 67 into.
Sir, is it 8,000, sir?
Oh, okay, 67 is what you tell me.
1 second. Variable manufacturing cost of which
Where is manufacturing cost? You manufactured 8 or you manufactured 12?
12,000, sir.
So
67 into 12,000.
variable manufacturing cost. This is variable manufacturing cost.
Yes, sir.
How much is that?
8,04,000.
8,04,000. Guys agree?
Yes,
or
sir.
no? So now what I should do? What is the next step?
Sir,
Hmm.
plus opening stock
Plus
minus stock.
opening stock. How much is the opening stock?
0, sir.
Minus closing stock. How much is the closing stock?
4,000 is 4,000 units of closing stock
Ah,
into
ah.
sir into 67, sir.
Right. Very good. Now we are talking business. How much is that?
2,68,000.
2,68,000. This you will minus. So what do you get?
5,36,000, sir.
5,36,000. 5,36,000 is what?
Variable manufacturing cost of goods sold.
Manufacturing cost of goods sold. How much is that? 5,36,000. If you agree, all of you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the sales?
Selling variable cost is 8,000 into
Selling variable selling and admin costs. How much?
8,000 into 3, sir.
8,000 into 3.
24,000.
That's how much?
24,000, sir.
So what is the total
Variable.
cost is how much?
5,60,000, sir.
Total variable cost 5,60,000. Right.
Sir, here sales won't change, sir.
Sorry?
Sales value won't change here, sir.
Sales value by sales, how it will change? Sales I already, sorry, you're right. I am wrong. How much is sales?
8 lakhs, sir.
Correct. You're right. 8 lakh is the sales. What is the contribution?
2,40,000.
2,40,000. How much are the fixed costs?
So fixed cost is 1 second. Fixed cost will be same now, sir. 1,20,000. Minus 1,20,000, sir. 48,000.
You're missing something.
48,000 plus 72,000, sir.
Correct. How much is that?
1,20,000.
That's what he was saying. Yeah, correct. How much is that?
1,20,000, sir.
1,20,000. Guys, you got this? All of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is the difference in profits? What is the difference in profits? What is the difference in profits under two methods?
24,000, sir.
24,000. Guys, you understood this? 24. 24 is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that your closing stock correct? What is the closing stock? What is the closing stock? Is it 67? It is 67 only. 67 into 4,000 is how much? 28,000 only. Selling variable overheads is fine. Fair enough. ठीक है. Correct. My bad. So what is the difference? What's the difference?
24,000.
24,000. So, my dear friends, what did we understand? Just now, a minute ago, we calculated absorption costing and variable costing. Profit was Profit was?
2,40,000.
And in variable costing also?
2,40,000.
Correct. But here we calculated, here it is 144,000, it is 120,000. There is a difference. Why there is a difference? This is what Nitya was asking. What was that? Why is the difference?
Sir, is it over absorption or under absorption, sir?
Don't get into that. No, it's not over absorption and under absorption. Okay, I will tell you. When production sales is equal to production, then profit under absorption costing is equal to profit under variable costing. Understood? Guys, you understood?
So,
Yes, sir.
It will always be same. When the sales are is equal to production, then the profit under absorption costing and variable costing will be same. Sanjana, you're following this?
yes, sir.
Right. Now come here. When sales is less than the production, when sales is less than the production, then absorption costing profit is greater than variable costing profit. Guys, you understood? Guys, you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Production is more, sales is less. Then which costing will show more profit? Which will show more profit?
Absorption cost.
Absorption cost. And how much is the difference? How much is the difference? In this example, how much is the difference?
24,000.
Right. That 24,000 is nothing but, it is nothing but absorption costing closing stock, costing closing stock minus variable costing closing stock. What is the absorption costing closing stock? What is the variable costing closing stock? How much is that? How much is that, guys? Guys, you're following
24,000.
it? You're following it or not? Following
Yes,
it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Nitya, yes or no?
yes, sir.
So the difference is coming only because of the closing stock valuation. Other than there is no difference between these two methods. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the difference? The difference is 24,000. How many closing stock units are there? How many are there? How many closing stock units?
4,000.
Into fixed manufacturing overhead rate. What is the fixed manufacturing overhead rate here? How much is that? How much is the fixed manufacturing overhead rate?
72,000.
Rate.
6 rupees.
6 rupees. 4,000 into 6. What is that? 24,000. Guys, understood? Guys, you understood?
Yes, sir.
So what are the 3 points I'm making? What are the 3 points I'm making? When sales, carefully listen to this, all of you. When sales is less than the production, when sales is less than the production, then the difference in the profits is because of the closing stocks. It is because of the stock valuation. It is because of the stock valuation. Difference in the closing stocks value will be equal to difference in profits. Understood?
Can I repeat it, sir?
Difference in closing stocks
No, sir.
value will
From
be
when sales is less than production.
when sales is less than production, the profits under absorption costing and variable costing will be different. Okay? Yes or not?
Sir.
Then the question is, what is the difference? The difference is on account of valuation of stocks. So difference in valuation of stocks will be equal to difference in profits. Agree? Urmila, yes?
Sir.
Difference in valuation of stocks. What is the difference in valuation of stock? Here it was 2,92,000. Here it was 2,60,000. See the difference. The difference is 24,000. That difference is what is the difference in the profits. Are you getting it? Sanjana, getting that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now the third question. What is the third question? Why there is a difference in the value in closing stock? The difference in value in closing stock is, here we have taken 67, here we have taken 63. How, sir? How this is 67 and that is 63? Arey, my dear friend, 32, 20, 15, 6 is 73. 32, 20, 15 is 67. Then why there is a difference? That 6 rupees you left in value in closing stock. You understood or not? You understood or not? Under absorption costing, you missed that 6 rupees. Getting it? Sorry, under variable costing, you missed that 6 rupees. Sanjana, you're following it?
Yes, sir.
Manisha, you're following that? Manisha? Nitya?
Yes, sir.
Urmila? So because of that 6 rupees, sir, what is the 6 rupees? Fixed manufacturing overhead rate. This fixed manufacturing overhead rate is what is causing the difference in the profits. You understood? Is all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Can you please solve this, put this properly and post it. Post it. Is that done? Is this done? Monisha, you posted it?
Not yet, sir.
Hmm. Sanjana, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Any issues, please ask. Nitya, you too. Monisha, any questions, please ask. So any point of time, a question arises, why there will be a difference in profits under absorption costing and variable costing. What will be your answer, Monisha?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Why there will be a difference in profits under variable costing and absorption costing?
It will be the difference because of the closing stock valuation.
Don't say closing stock valuation, you just say it is because of the stock valuations. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then I will ask you why there will be a difference in the closing stock in the stock valuations. Then what's your answer? Then I will ask you why there will be difference in closing stock value in stock valuations under variable costing and absorption costing.
It is because of the fixed manufacturing overhead.
Right. Right? Right, guys? Shall I move on? But you guys are not posting the answer. Done. Right. Right. Shall I move on? Shall I move on?
Yes.
Okay, this becomes important. So we will keep this aside. We will keep this aside. Okay. How much were the sales? The sales were, let's see the question. See the question number B. What does the question say? What does the question say? Yes, guys. What's the question?
Sales at 10,000 units.
Sales are 10,000. Correct? Production level is how much? Production level is how much?
12,000.
Mhm. Please correct this question. Huh? Please correct this question. Entire this is long. Okay. So we'll put it here. Where is that PDF? Here I'm changing it. Okay, what I'm changing, the production is Let's wait 1 second. Production is 10,000 and the sales is this. I made a mistake here in the question. Sales is 12,000. Guys, you following it? Sales is how much? Sales is equal to 12,000 and production is equal to 10,000. Now Urmila will ask one question. Sir, production is 10,000 and how we can sell 12,000? How can we sell 12,000? Urmila.
Yes, sir.
When production is 10,000, how can we sell 12,000?
We can't sell, no, sir.
We can. How? In which scenario?
Sell.
In which scenario? In which scenario it's possible?
Production.
But Alisha, in which scenario it is possible?
When we have opening stock.
When we have already opening stock, then it is possible. Yes or not, Urmila?
Yes, sir.
So read the question number B. Read the question number B. Urmila, read it.
Yes, sir. Continuing the above problem, estimated total cost that would be incurred during July month with a production level of 12,000
Not
units.
12,000. Production level is how much? I changed it.
Okay, production level of 10,000 units and the sales level of 10,000 units
Not
are
10,000. Not 10,000.
12,000.
12,000 units. This is what we are supposed to find out. Agree? Guys, all of you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is that we are saying? We are saying that production is 10,000, sales is 12,000, and if you are asking question how it is possible, it is possible because June month how much we produced? June month how much we produced? How much you produced June month?
12,000.
June month we produced, but how much we sold?
8,000.
So that 4,000 units here are there, which will carry forward to July.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? So based on from that 4,000, we are selling how much?
2,000.
Sorry, we are selling 12,000. We are selling. Does that make sense, guys? Make sense? It's okay or not okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's calculate. What are the two methods? The two methods are absorption costing. Under absorption costing, again, Monisha will tell me how to calculate. Yeah, Monisha.
Yes, sir. Direct material.
Direct material Direct material?
Mm.
Yeah.
Sir, is it 35 into, because
Give a second, I'm putting a charger. Just hold on. Hmm. 35,000 into, so 35 into
10,000.
You're right. 35,000 into 10,000. 10,000 is what you purchased. How much is that?
3,50,000.
3 lakh. Three lakh 50,000. Right? What next? Direct labor.
Direct labor 25 into 10,000.
25 into 10,000.
2,50,000.
2,50,000.
Then total is prime cost. 6 lakhs. Then variable manufacturing overhead. Thousand.
Sorry?
20 into 10,000.
20 into 10,000. How much is that?
2 lakhs. Then
And-
fixed manufacturing overhead. 6 into 10,000.
Fixed manufacturing overhead will not change. What was the fixed manufacturing overhead?
6 into 12,000.
Sorry?
6 into 12,000.
Previously, what was the last month amount? Last month amount was how much?
72,000, sir.
That's it. 72,000 only. It will not change. Guys, you understood? All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Fixed manufacturing overhead will not change. Next.
Then cost of production 8,72,000.
8 lakh.
72,000.
Next.
Add opening
Opening stock. How much is the opening stock?
2,000 units.
2,000 units. 2,000.
4,000 was there, sir.
You already did the valuation already. Just put that. How much was that? Unbelievable.
Yes, sir. 2,92,000.
Closing stock. Closing stock is
Closing stock 2,000.
into what? Yes, how much? How much is the closing stock? How much is the closing stock?
2,000 into 73, sir.
2,000 into
73.
How 73? Where did you get 73 from?
From last month's cost.
Not last month's cost, this month cost. Last month cost was for last month. That is over. That is sold. This much, how much? This month, how much? This month, how much? How much is the closing this month? How much is the production cost?
86.
8,72,000 for how many units?
10,000 units.
For 2,000 unit, for 1,000 unit, for 1 unit, how much?
87.2.
That's how much?
1,74,400.
1,74,400. So what do you have now? What do you have?
Cost of goods sold.
Cost of goods sold. How much is the cost of goods sold?
9,89,600.
9,89,600. All of you with me on this? Guys, all of you with me on this?
Yes, sir.
Nitya?
Yes.
Manisha?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, what is the next? What are the other ones? Variable
Add selling.
selling administrative overheads. How much?
Variable is 12,000 into
Hmm.
3.
How 12,000 into 3?
12,000 units are sold and the variable cost is 3. Then fixed is 48,000.
So how much?
10,73,600.
10,76,000.
73,600, sir.
73,600 is
Cost of sales.
how much is the profit? How much is the profit? Okay, I'll tell you the sales. Which is the sales?
12,000 into 100.
Oh,
12 lakhs.
oh.
Profit is 1,26,400.
Guys, all of you agree? Any issues with this calculation? Is there any issue with this calculation?
No, sir.
Now, can you carefully do it for what? Variable costing? Can you do it for variable costing? Please tell me for variable costing how it is. Yeah, Manisha, tell me.
Sales.
Hmm.
12,000 into 100. 12 lakhs.
Hmm.
Then variable cost.
Hmm.
Variable manufacturing cost of goods produced.
Hmm.
35 plus 25
Hmm.
plus 20
Hmm. Into
10,000 units. 8 lakhs.
Okay.
Then add opening.
Hmm. How much is the opening stock?
Opening stock is 2,92,000.
Eh.
We calculated before, no sir. No sir, it's 2,68,000.
Very good.
Then
What Urmila, Manisha, all of you getting? This is 2,68,000, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the closing stock value? What is the closing stock value? Yes.
8 lakhs divided by 10,000 into 2,000. 1,60,000.
2,000 into 80, huh?
Yes sir. 1,60,000.
So what do you get here? 9 lakhs? 9 lakhs?
8,000.
9 lakh 8,000 is what?
Variable manufacturing cost of goods sold.
Variable manufacturing cost of goods sold. Now what?
Then selling variable cost.
Yes. Selling and administrative variable costs.
3 into 12,000, 36,000.
What?
3 into
Correct.
12,000, 36,000. Then total variable cost is 9,44,000.
How 12,000? Okay, 3 into
We
12.
sold 12,000 units.
Total?
9,44,000.
Hmm.
That is total variable cost.
So now,
Contribution 2,56,000.
how much is the fixed cost? How much?
Yes sir.
Profit
Profit
is
is 1,36,000.
what was the profit before?
1,26,400.
What is the profit now? What's the difference?
9,600.
9,600. 9,600. So when sales are greater than production, when sales are greater than production, then absorption costing and variable costing will give different answers. Agree? Which is more? Which is more?
Variable costing is more.
Variable costing profit is more. Guys, you understood? Yes or no? Guys, agree or not? The difference is because of what? The difference is because of what? We already discussed. The difference is because of?
Valuation of stock.
What is the difference in valuation of closing stock? Absorption costing closing stock. And what is the variable costing closing stock?
1,60,000.
Huh?
So the
Variable
difference
cost. Sorry, how much?
The difference is 14,400, sir.
14,400. Sir, you said closing stock difference will be equal to the profit difference.
Yes, sir.
But did it happen?
No, sir.
No. So what you should do? Absorption costing opening stock and variable costing opening stock difference also you find. How much is that? How much is that? Opening stock differences is how much?
24,000, sir.
Right, 24,000.
24,000 minus 14,400.
Right. So how much is that?
9,600.
9,600. Agree? Agree or not, Manisha?
Yes, sir.
So why there is a difference in profits difference in absorption costing and closing stock marginal costing? Why there's a difference? What's the reason, Sanjana?
So because of the difference in opening and closing stock in both absorption costing and variable costing.
You have to say it very properly. Because of the difference in the valuation of closing stock and opening stocks under these two methods. The remaining part you said correct. Repeat it again, Sanjana. Why there's a difference in profits of absorption costing and variable costing? Why there's a difference?
So the difference is because of the difference in valuation of closing and opening stock in both the methods.
Right. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now the question is why there is a difference in the closing stock and opening stock. The difference is because what is the opening stock? Opening stock is 4,000 units into fixed manufacturing overhead 24,000, and what is the difference in closing stock? 2,000 into what? What is the fixed manufacturing overhead? Is the same?
Yes, sir.
So how much is that?
12,000.
Then why you are not getting the answer? Difference in closing stock. Closing stock was how much? What was the closing stock? 6 rupees, is it? Fixed cost, how much was that? No. This will work here. Material costs and other costs also changed, so this will not work. The material costs and all others change, but this is fair enough, right? What is fair enough? The difference is on account of closing stock valuations, right? When sales units are greater than production units, then what? Then absorption costing profit will be less than variable costing. Guys, you follow this? Guys, you understand this?
Yes.
That's it. There is nothing else in this chapter. Okay, so here I have given some questions. What questions? You can solve 19th question. Please solve carefully 19th question. Okay, you can always solve this 18th question you can solve. Okay, you can also solve, of course, 16th question and all are from your book, you can happily solve. Okay, now what else you have? You can solve question numbers, this one. Okay, not this one, this one, this one. Okay. Hold on. I did not give this. Okay, maybe I will give you some more theory questions on this. Okay, so overall, you understood this? Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Can you try to solve these 19 problems, please? Please try to solve these 19 problems. Okay, if you are not getting answers, please ask me. Not 19 also. From 12 onwards, you have to solve. From 12 onwards, you have to solve. That's all. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Right. All the other points are what we have given you. That's all. Done. So tomorrow we catch up with what? What will you take up tomorrow? Tax. Tomorrow you have two classes. One, account sir will finish, it seems. So he is going to take one class on accounting and I will take. Okay. Maybe one in the morning, one in the afternoon. Right, guys? My class will be probably in the morning, early morning, 7:30. Right? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
And I will get the answer of this presented answer. Will you give me the presented answer for this?
Yes, sir.
Wait a second. Let me make it small for you guys. Not getting. This one. Okay, this one. Okay. So this one also you try to please present it properly, find the difference, and the difference is on account of closing stock. You do it and you give it to me. Done. Right, guys. See you then. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.